Hello everyone. Warm welcome to this amazing session on All Out ICPC, which is organized by Spider Algo Stream. Myself, Suresh Prakash, a third year BTech student from NIT Trichy. In this session, we'll explore all about ICPC, and after that, we have Ashwanth, an ICPC regionalist. After this, we will have a Q&A session with you all. So be with us till last. Before moving forward on the session, quick reminder for everyone. If you have forgot to register for the contest CP Arena, do it as soon as possible. It will start right after the session at 9 p.m. So, what is ICPC? ICPC is an international collegiate programming contest. It's a prestigious global competitive programming competition. It challenges teams from different colleges and institutes to solve complex algorithmic problems. ICPC was founded in 1970 and since has grown one of the largest and most respected programming competition in the world. In this session, we'll cover competition structure, regional contest, benefits of participating, teams from our colleges, and many more. After that, we have Ashwanth, who is master on Codeforces and 6-star on CodeSafe, and a previous year ICPC regionalist. He will share his past year experience with us also. So, a quick question for my audience. Do you have any idea why ICPC is called Olympics of Competitive Programming? You can answer in chat box. So, yeah, all countries can participate in it. It's also one of the reasons. Due to global representation of all countries, so high prestige, intense competition, and team spirit. All this we can also see in Olympics. So this is the Olympics of competitive programming. Yeah. So moving forward to the competition structure, how the competition go on, how many tests are happened, how many contests are there, how you participated. We'll see this now. ICPC consists of multiple problem-solving rounds where team attempts to solve a set of challenging problems with a fixed time frame. The competition emphasizes teamwork and efficient coding. Teamwork is needed as much as efficient coding. It has several coding rounds. ICPC begins with local contests where team of our college compete in a local host hosted by our own institute. The purpose is to select the best of them. Winning teams from local contests advance to the regional level. In India, there are mainly four on-sites for regionals: Kharagpur, Kanpur, Gwalior, and Amritapuri. There is also one more competition, Asia West, which happens after regionals. This is to eliminate some of the contestants who qualified for regionals, as they can't allow all of them to go to the finals. Moving forward to it, the final competition is the ICPC World Finals. This is the highest level of ICPC competition. Only selected teams from various regions all over the world participate in it. So yeah, it's a global championship that brings together the best collegiate programming teams. The World Final is often held in different host cities each year. This year, it's being hosted in Egypt. So ICPC has a very unique way of choosing winners. So, do you have any idea how many teams get gold, silver, and bronze in ICPC? Answer in comment section. If you know. So in ICPC, winners are not selected in traditional way as first, second, and third. Instead, first four are given as gold medal, next four as silver, and the next four as bronze. So total of 12 members, 12 teams get the awards. Gold holders are awarded with a cash prize of $7,500, silver medal with 6,000, and bronze with $3,000. So, and apart from this, there are also many medals for those who participate. So, an obvious question might come to your mind: why should I participate in it? So, participating in ICPC offers students a chance to hone their coding skills, gain recognition, and open door to exciting career opportunities in technology and computer science. Not only winning, but also participating and going on for regionals will boost your resume by a lot. Participating in it will surely enhance your coding skills and problem solving abilities. So, do register for it. So, coming to the teams from NIT Trichy. Over the years, many outstanding teams have went for ICPC World Finals, showcasing exceptional problem-solving skills and programming talent. Last year, three teams were selected from our college for regionals, and one of them went for World Finals. The picture you can see is of the first team who went for World Finals. It consists of Nitin Gupta, Rishabh Nahar, and Ritik Mittal. Nitin Gupta is currently at IMC Trading, which is a quant company. He has left Google for it. He is master on Codeforces. Rishabh Nahar is also at IMC Trading and have left Google. He was also master on Codeforces. Third member was Ritik Mittal. He is currently in Google and is candidate master on Codeforces. So there you can see how OP they are. These are the second and third team. Second team from our college went for regionals, which consisted of Narendra Rathore, Subham Kausal, and Ayush Kumar Sandel. Picture of you can see on the right, it's Saubhagya Satyarth and Ashwanth. Today we will have Ashwanth, who will share his experience in Amritapuri regionals and give some tips on it and how to prepare for the same. One interesting fact from our side: all these three teams that went for ICPC finals, they're part of Algo Stream. So yeah, that's a proud moment for us. So now I want to hand over the screen to Aswant, and he will share his experience with us.
Thank you, Suraj, for the introduction. I'm Ashwanth. I'm from BTech third year CSE from NIT Trichy, and I am part of Spider Algos Women, and I am master at Codeforces and sixth star in CodeChef. Like I enjoy competitive coding a lot. So now I will be sharing some of my experiences and preparation tips for ICPC. My experience at ICPC was a very nice journey where I took some more effort to learn more complex algorithms and data structures, which helped me to some extent. So I took some extra like contest. I was attending more virtual contests in Codeforces for preparation of ICPC. Through this ICPC journey, it has boosted my CP profile. So the ICPC is more conducted in the way it is conducted is like really um, awesome because uh, starting from the registration up to prelims, then regionals, all are like conducted in good manner. Like there is no trouble in any of the process. Mm. So in overall, my ICPC experience was very good, and mm, I would say that everybody in college should try ICPC at least once because it definitely boosts your problem solving skills and you will also enjoy the journey. And regarding competitive programming, like I believe that just practice and consistency is no more than enough to get into a good level. So I also like had a good consistent. I was a good consistent guy and I practiced a lot, which made me a good coder in college. So like this is the short experience about ICPC. So next, I will be sharing some of the tips for ICPC. So first is team coordination. So apart from any normal contest, ICPC contest will be giving in a team of 3 members. So proper team coordination is required. So you have to know split up the problems between yourselves and do the contest well. So proper time management and team coordination is very essential in ICPC. So also knowing yourself as well as your teammates' strengths and weakness is very important in terms of ICPC. So let's say, for example, like I have a teammate who is good at graphs and trees, whereas I am good at, let's say, DP. So whenever we see a DP problem, like I will try to solve it, and whenever we see a graph problem in the contest, I will try to give it to my teammate, such that no, we can split the problems efficiently and practice and do the contest better. So good coordination is important, and also team motivation. So you should be like motivated as a team. In many times while practice sessions, it may happen that you may not perform very well. You may also get a minus rating on that. So in that time, no, don't get demotivated. Your team members may motivate you to do even more better. So such team motivation and discussing with team members is also a crucial aspect in ICPC. So in terms of preparation, I would suggest you guys to give more team contests as much as possible so that it will improve the team bonding among yourself. And also in terms of competitive programming, if you want to improve your skills to go to next level, you should solve problems after the contest. So try to do the problems that are slightly harder than your difficulty level. So let's say, for example, your rating is let's say 1,000 in core forces, and so try to practice problems that are like 1,200 or 1,300. So always going slightly above than your difficulty level is good. Then discussing problems and solutions among your teammates. So whenever you are giving contests or after contests, try to discuss within your teammates and try to share knowledge, such that it will improve your team bonding as well as you will learn more things. So try to teach each other such that it is beneficial for both of you. So next, in Codeforces, there is a provision like called as ICPC contest mirror also happens in Codeforces, where no, you can see past ICPC problems, even regionals. Some of the regionals in ICPC are problems are available in Codeforces also. So you can practice from that too. And if you want to have idea about past year problems, you can also refer Codrill's website. For ICPC, Codrills is the platform where prelims and regionals are conducted. So try to familiarize yourself with the Codrills platform. Yeah, so these are some of the tips regarding preparation. Um, the main factor in ICPC is team coordination. So try to build up that. So next I will be discussing about some of the fun aspects of ICPC. Mm. Apart from any normal contest, ICPC is way more different because of some important features. So first, accommodation and food facilities in ICPC regionals are very nice. They provide you with good food and good accommodation, and even transport facilities are provided well. So in last year ICPC, I went for Amritapuri regionals where they themselves provided all the facilities like transport, food, and good hostel room. So that was like very nice. We as a team, we didn't expect that much uh, caring, but yeah, they took care of us very well. So next, near the regionals like college, we also have good sightseeing places. So where you can know after the contest, whenever I get free time, like you can go and visit there. So in last year, like near Amrita College, like there was a beach. So me and my teammates, we just enjoyed that for some time. So apart from this, regarding the contest, if you see in ICPC prelims contest, uh, no, we three in a member, we can no, submit the solutions individually from each of us laptop. So, but in regionals contest, it's not so. Every team will be given only one computer. So in that case, no, you have to properly time manage and uh, between yourselves and your teammates for the computer. So let's say, for example, uh, like you are given a computer. Let's say there are three members in a team, and one person has found solution to one problem. So he will start typing the code in computer. Now, second person also may get solution for some other problem. So, but second person has to wait until first person has finished his coding. So now second person will be like waiting for his turn for the computer. So there's some time wasted. That can also be minimized. Like that can be used up optimally. Like the second person can also think of implementing the code. So no, instead of wasting time, no second person can think of how to implement the code and how to what data structures to use there. So such some idea he can build upon, such that when he gets the chance to use the computer, he can code it very fast. So such proper time management and sharing the system is very important in terms of ICPC regionals. Then next we will talk about something called as like balloon culture. Like in ICPC regionals, for every problem you solve, you'll be given like one balloon. So here in the second image, you can see that there are many teams, and each team has some amount of balloons with them. So like whenever you solve a problem, you will get a balloon of that color. So no, the main purpose of this is like whenever you see around yourself, like if you see other teams' table, you can just count the number of balloons to get a fair idea about how many problems they have solved. So just by looking around, you can judge. You can have some assumption like what are the performance of other teams. So such good things are also there in ICPC. Then in ICPC regionals also, there is one more rule that you are not supposed to refer any external website. Uh, Only your Codel's website where you are submitting your solutions and your code editor, you can use only these two. You can't Google or you can't go for any external website. But there is one provision in ICPC where you can carry a booklet. You can have a booklet of 25 pages where you can have your all templates and codes there. So whenever you want to use any template from the booklet, you can just use it during the contest. So even framing that booklet, which algorithms, which data structures to put in that booklet, that also requires some kind of planning. So yeah, apart from this, no, there is also one more provision in ICPC where you can take the printout of your code. In regional contest, let's say um, one person has submitted the code and he has received a wrong answer verdict. So as soon as he receives a wrong answer verdict, he will be like confused and he'll start debugging the code. But it may happen that another person would have found solution to another problem. So what can happen is uh, the second person would have to wait for more time. So instead of that, what can be done is the first person can take printout of his own code and he can start debugging from the paper, from the printout paper. So and the second person can share the computer. So such crucial things are important, like properly not wasting time, like properly utilizing the time and resources is very important in terms of ICPC. So from all these features, no, not only the contest problems, even the way of time management, everything is important in terms of ICPC. So next, yeah, these are some of the important links and websites which you need to refer for ICPC. First one is ICPC Global, where in this website you'll be creating the account for yourself and your team member, and you'll be creating a team here. The second link is ICPC Amritapuri regional, where you have to also do your payment in this website. You can also get all details regarding ICPC Amritapuri regionals in this link. Then also one more thing. For this year, ICPC Amrita Puri Regionals registration is open. The last date to register is November 18, and the first prelims contest of this year is going to happen on November 26. So do register for that, guys. It will be a good journey. The next third link is Codril's website, where Codril's is the platform where all regional contests, all prelims and regional contests are conducted. So try to familiarize with this platform, so such that you won't face any hustle at the last minute. The fourth link is the Codril's Telegram channel. Like in this Telegram channel, you'll get all live updates about ICPC regionals. So do be so do follow these links regularly, such that you won't miss any update. Yeah. Um, Next, we will. I guess this is the. We have come to the end of session almost. This is the CP Arena contest, which we as Spider Argus we are conducting it exclusively like for first years and second years. So all first year and second year students who are interested, please do participate in this. We will also be giving cash prizes, and this will start today from 9 p.m. So those people who haven't started competitive programming, you can take this contest as a kickstart and try. All the best for you guys, and all the best for the ICPC also. So yeah, I guess now we can go for some Q&A session. Yeah, we can do Q&A session. Yeah. Now we have a first question. What are the books needed
So
for?
one
Yeah.
of the
Yeah. Now we have a question. What are the books needed for competitive programming? So
ask you inside how much time it will take to come to my level. So I was not doing
yeah. So now we have a question. What are the books needed for competitive programming? So my suggestion would be CP, CSES, and CSES handbook. Uh, that is the best book for competitive programming because that contains almost all the topics required for CP. Yeah, CSCS book. And also there is a CSCS problem set where you can practice more problems while simultaneously reading the book. So you can read one topic from the book and again try for CSCS problem set. So you can continue reading as well as simultaneously solve the problems. So CSCS, I guess that is the best resource for competitive programming. Yeah. Do we need to know the essay compulsory before taking part in CPR? No, not required. Basic coding knowledge is enough. If you know to code in C, C++ or any basic language, that is more than enough. Uh, you don't require DSA skills. How to start with Codeforces? Just go to Codeforces, create your account, just randomly solve problems. Like, okay, first, no, try to do more contests in Codeforces. Uh, Try to do more Div 4 and Div 3 contests. Like, you will get some rating. If you solve some problem, you'll get some rating in Codeforces. Uh, and after that, you can just solve problems that are slightly above your rating to improve more. So that would be better suggestion, I would say. Yeah. So now I would demonstrate Codeforces page. So just wait for 2 minutes. Yeah, I guess the Codeforces screen is visible. Yeah. Now I'll be showing you guys a demo how to register. So first you can register, try to fill your handle details, give your information here, then register. So after going after doing the registration, you can log in. So let's say now I am logging in. Yeah, so this is the Codeforces website. Here you can have something called as problem set. You can view all the problems here. So let's say your rating is no, let's say 1,000. So you want to solve problems at like 1,100 to 1,200 range, let's say. So now you can apply this filter and you can see many problems here. Try to solve them like one by one. Try to click on any problem so you can now start solving. So this is what I guess you can do. And also um, you can go to this contest tab. Yeah, there is for in the problem set tab you will be seeing all the problems of different ratings. So you can just practice from that. In contest tab, you can see upcoming contest and past contest problems also. So these were the past three contests, and these were the past few contests which happened before. So these are the upcoming contests. So you can see the time, start time, and length of the contest. So you can just register here. Like your registration after 25 hours, you can register in this link. So you can register for any contest and try to attend the contest. So to start with Codeforces, try to give contests and try to solve problems. So I would advise you guys to solve problems that are plus 200 from your rating, so that you'll get a good idea about you can improve much better. So I guess this is the walkthrough of Codeforces, and like here you can see something called as Edu section. In this Edu section, there are some good contents, like some good techniques. There are some free courses here. Here also you can try to practice problems in this Edu section, so that you can learn some new topics. So yeah, I guess uh, this is the Codeforces website, and yeah. Yeah, Edu section in Codeforces is also a good resource. Like I learned segmentaries from Edu section only. Like they are very nice, so you can try Edu section also. Okay. We have a question now. Is topic wise good level preparation necessary for ICPs? Okay. I would suggest that just practice problems by difficulty rating first. Because if you sort it with topics, you already know the topic. So let's say you want to practice BP problem. So you already know that it's BP. So that doesn't make the question more tough. So try to know practice problems according to your rating, like maybe plus 200 from your rating, so that you can improve. And I guess that is good in terms of ICPs. Like, yeah. What programming language do you use for C? I use C++. C++ only. Yeah. Yeah. Which language do you prefer for solving problems in code forces? Yeah. C++. Okay. Uh, Main reason for using C++ is that there are more built-in libraries, like more standard libraries, vectors, maps, set, multiset, many things are there. And also uh, in competitive coding websites, most of the authors and editorial solutions will be in C++. So so if you have doubts in some problem, and if you want to address the community, if you want to seek help, then their code also will be in C++. So that's why uh, I recommend C++. And also Python or other languages, they give TAT. They have uh, Python is like 5 times slower than C++. So C++ is like one of the fastest language. So you can, I guess that's why I use C++. Okay. How many years did it take for you to become master in Codeforces? Mm, okay. I started my CP preparation. Like I had some fair idea about CP in my high school, like 12th standard, but I started my CP preparation like properly after joining college. So I would say 2 to 3 years, 2.5 years exactly, to become master in Codeforces. One more thing is that uh, practicing in peer group is more beneficial, because you will be even more motivated, and your teammates will also help you. So no, a good peer group who does CP along with you is also a good thing. That will boost your performance. And in Spider domain, like I am at Argos domain, so that itself like helped me a lot. My mentors my seniors, they were good mentors to me. They themselves like taught me many things, and that boosted my preparation uh, to a great extent. So yeah, do join Spider Argos if you are interested in computer programming. How is Python as a language for CP? Yeah, first reason like Python gives more takes more time and it's not advisable to do in Python. And C++ is more faster and the whole community does coding in C++ mostly. So I guess learning C++ for computer programming would be much better option. Okay. Do you guys have any other questions? Yeah, and one more reminder, like do take part in the CP Arena contest. This contest is exclusively for first years and second years. This contest will start on today, 9 p.m. after the session. So you will also win cash prizes, and also like if you guys haven't started CP, then you can take this contest as a kickstart. So all the best for this contest, and also link to this contest is in the description. You can check out there. Contest will happen in HackerRank website. Link of the contest is there in description. So
Okay, I think the meeting has come to an end. I want to thank Ashwant for joining
yeah,
us and
I hope that this session will be more informative for juniors. So thank you, Suraj, for conducting the session, and thank you to everyone who has attended this session, who has spent your time to attend this session. And happy coding.